What's going on, shopping fanatics? Welcome to this new episode. Yeah, I've got something really incredible for you, and I'm talking about a virtual card that you can use for your free trials and even for online transactions. So without any further ado guys, let's end this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So the app that we'll be using today is called Docpay, and what you want to do is to head on to your Play Store or your App Store and just search for Docpay, just as so. Then you want to download and install the app. Okay, once the app is installed on your phone, you just want to open it. You can grant notification and then you make sure that you read this user notice. Okay, just want to confirm and agree, and then you can go through the app store, or you can just skip all of this, which is what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so this is how the app should look like when you open it for the first time. So since we are interested in the card, you just want to come to this card tab right here. Okay, you can see virtual and physical cards, no bank visit, no credit check. You just want to click on get started. All right, now you need to log in or you create a Docpay account. Since it's the first time you're accessing the app, you want to create a Docpay account. Don't worry, I'm going to provide you with a link that comes with a free coupon code that you can use to grab a free card through this app. Okay, so make sure you check that link down in the video description. Next, you just want to log into the account. Let me just log into my account. So since it's a financial account, I want to enable my biometrics right here. Great. So as you may know, with most of these fintech apps, you need to provide your KYC, or you need to complete the KYC verification, which is know your customer, that is required by banking regulations for this app to work well with you and for them to protect your financial information. So if you use the link that I shared in the description, you should be able to get a 30% discount, just as you can see here. Okay, and as I said earlier, the first step will be to verify the KYC, or to complete the KYC verification. So for that, you just want to click on this apply now, and then you start identity verification. Now if you're from the United States, you just want to select United States of America. If you're in any other country other than in the United States, you just want to select all countries except the United States. So here you have to provide your profile details. Okay, so just go ahead and provide it. I'm going to provide all of this right now. Now you need to select the document type that you want to use as the verification. Okay, you have ID card, resident permit, or passport. In your country or in your location, it might be different. Okay, so just go ahead and select the one that is preferable for you. Now you need to take a photo of the document that you selected. Okay, you can follow this guide here to make sure that the documents that you submit should be approved and shouldn't take time for verification. So once you verify everything, you should see the complete successful. So the KYC verification has been completed in my case, and if you did things well, if you send clear photographs of yourselves and your ID document, they should also get verified in no time, lesser than a minute. Okay, so just want to click on this confirm. So on this card tab, you just want to click on this card icon at the top right corner of your screen, just as so. Then now you want to select virtual card. Okay, so you have two different cards here. You have the budget card and the prepaid card. So we'll go in for the budget card. So you just want to click on that coupon code that I will share with you down below. Okay, then you get your card. After applying the coupon, just want to click on create card. So you just want to enter the code sent to your email, the verification code. Then after entering the code, you should be able to see your virtual card ready. Okay, so the virtual card is ready. Just want to click on view card to see all the information about the card. Okay, you can see the card type, you can set a limit, you can see the fee standard and every other thing down below. What's even cool, you can name your card in case you plan to create other cards in this app. Okay, you can give the card a name. If this card is meant for online transactions, you can just give the card the name that online transactions card. If you want to use a card for free trials, you can just name it that a free trials card. What's even cool with this card is that you can use it for PayPal verification. Okay, so for those of you that need a virtual card for paper verification, this card is the ID card that you need. All right, and more to that, you can add it to your digital wallet just as Apple Pay or Google Pay for more secure transactions. So coming back to your cards tab, you should be able to see your virtual card ready. Okay, you can get its details by clicking on this details button to see the card number, the expiry, and the CVC. Okay, and as I said earlier, you can give the card a name. But what I love even again with this Docpay app is that they let you carry out transactions with crypto. Okay, you can see the different crypto available right here. They work with a lot of tokens that will let you make your transfers within this app even way convenient. Okay, besides getting a virtual card with them. So what are you waiting for? Just check the link in the video description to get your virtual card and link it to your PayPal account or any other digital wallet, or get free trials directly and start making purchases on the internet anywhere this Visa card is accepted. So that was it to getting a virtual card for your transactions and free trials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap that button below to not miss any upcoming content from us. I'll catch you in the next episode.